Hello darlings, welcome back to my creative space. If you're new here, hello, my name is LESEDI, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back darlings. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do this beautiful editorial glam look. I could say it's editorial glam. The hair, the makeup, the lips, darling, the earrings, everything just looks absolutely delicious. And I want to show you guys how I achieved this beautiful eye. I mean, it doesn't end here. The eye is packed, it's loaded. This is a very loaded tutorial, so let's get right into it. Last time I was here, I showed you guys how to block off the eyebrows, so I'm gonna skip that part and get right into the look. I have foundation on and a little bit of some contour. I haven't highlighted, but I'm gonna go in with a blush. Need something yellower. I'm using this palette. It's called the Becharm Angels HD Matte Blush Palette. I'm gonna use this color as my blush. I think it's gonna be fun. It is quite pigmented, so I really need to be careful how I apply that. I thought maybe I should go with orangey one. I'm gonna go in with this palette over here first. This is the Cindy's Beauty Line Lip and Cheek, so I'm gonna go in with this color. This is an orangey type. I'm trying to create a little bit of balance. Right on the apples of my cheek, I'm gonna place it. I'm gonna place and blend as I go. Bring it in a little bit onto the under eye, almost creating like the Painted by Esther type of look. So I'm going to pull it just a little bit into the hairline, creating a beautiful transition into my contour area. Make sure that it's fully blended through. With the excess, bring it into the inner. Okay, then I'm going to go in with that one that I just showed you guys now. This one, this color is a little intimidating, but we're having fun. This is an editorial look. You don't want to be boring. With the same brush, clean it up a little bit and go straight into the blush. I don't know how it's gonna react. Oh wow, I actually absolutely love it. I love the transition that it's doing. So I'm taking it from there, bringing it into the cheeks. Wow, this is beautiful. I've actually been struggling with a color like this for a long time, and I'm so happy that I found this palette. I was doubting the color. I've used it once, but I was like, ooh, I don't know. I swatched it, but on the skin with the base on, it looks absolutely beautiful and buttery. So I'm going to bring it into the cheek, drag it down a little bit and blend. So it's creating like a nice sunset. Are you seeing that? Like a nice beautiful sunset look. My issue with this now is that I don't know what powder I'm going to use. I might just use the yellowest powder possible. I'm actually going to go in with that orange again because I want that sun kiss look to be very intense. I have an inspiration eye look. I'm going to use a flower for like the inspiration, but I really like the blush look that I'm going to actually bring these colors onto the top area. It's a very summery look, but I mean, who cares? I'm going to put some concealer on my hand. Okay, this is Sheila's Beauty multi-use concealer, and I'm going to take it with a short, like a, what is this? Like a small concealer brush. Put it into the highlight. Just enough. I don't want to overpower the yellow. I still want to keep the yellow intact. Honestly, we could put the yellow directly underneath if we wanted to, but this just gives us a little bit of control. So I'm just going to pack it underneath. I prefer putting concealer on top of my arm and working from there because I feel like it tends to be a little bit much if I just put it on. So I like to have control, darling. and blend my concealer with the blush with a beauty blender. I really do want that yellow to show. Right? Yeah. I think that's okay. Blend underneath. This is the Nubian Skin Fix, and this is the So Pro Cosmetics. Okay, I'm using the Nubian one. I'm gonna go in with a powder, just a flesh tone skin powder to set. You don't want to set the crease in. Okay. Do you see? It's transitioning into yellow. It's bright, but it's not overwhelmingly yellow. I'm going to contour and bronze my skin. I'm using the same Very Secret palette. I also think that in terms of editorial makeup, they do a beautiful job. I'm gonna use Annie's Beauty Cheek Orgasm Professional Blush Palette. Love her. I think she does the absolute most. We have it. How did I not notice all these colors? Okay, this is exciting. This is more exciting than I thought. We're gonna go in first with this deep orange. This one, no, this one. This is the corally, but we're gonna go in with this color. Tap it off. Begin to apply it exactly where the cream is. Cement it in with a brush. How did I not? Oh my gosh. Today's people, they call it the transition blush. But we all know that the transition blush, honey, was for everyone. Oh, do you see how gorgeous that is looking? I'm gonna go in with a sponge, a little bit of some baking powder. I'm gonna use the honey, the Laura Mercier honey, just because I love how soft and subtle the powder is. Just on my hand, I'm gonna mix it a little bit with the blush. See how it's yellow? Oh gosh, this is gorgeous. It's happening right now. Then we're gonna go in with that yellow and paste it onto the apples of the cheek. We're gonna get into the eyes now. You definitely need to prime your lids properly. I've got mixing medium. I've got this paint, which is a yellow paint. I also have black, brown, and white. So just right here is the look that I'm, like the flower that I'm inspired by. Okay, so we're gonna play around and see what we get from that. We're gonna start first by priming the lid. I'm using the Pigment and Glitter Primer by Candy Beauty Line. I honestly don't think this is the best primer for me. I need what 24-hour extended eye base used to do. I need to go find that. Then I'm gonna go in with the Becharm Clown White Pro Matte eyeshadow base. It is white, stock white. I'm gonna use that. And then I'm gonna go in with a white eyeshadow. So pray for me, because this could either go very right or very wrong. I think I'm gonna apply the MAC paint pot. This is my flesh toe onto it so that it can hold whatever product I'm going to apply. My eye is less likely to crease, so I'm gonna apply it all over the eye. I'm gonna go in with the white one. I'm gonna go in with a flat angle brush and pack it on. So go in with a fluffier brush, this one. Guys, when I tell you I have not changed my brushes in a long time, I actually need to go do a brush shop. So I'm gonna go in with my white eyeshadow. This is a MAC eyeshadow in the shade Gesso. Yeah, pretty much setting this. Pack it on, make sure that it doesn't crease. My eyes tend to crease a lot, so we don't want that. So once we're there, we're gonna go in with orange eyeshadow. But you know what? I'm gonna go in with the blush. So the same color blush that I was using. I'm going to recreate just to transition over there. I'm just gonna bring in that yellow on there just to create a wash, like a little bit of the yellow, the middle. We are still gonna go in with the, so we're gonna take it in, bring it up, the crease. I have done the outlines with the brown, made sure that everything matches and is symmetrical. So we're gonna go in with the black, just intensify the colors a little bit more. I need to see. We're gonna go in with the white. Hopefully I don't mess it up. Some white. I love it. In the inner corners of the eye, I'm gonna take the white and slowly add it. Yeah. I am in love with this eye. I do mascara, extended play, Giga Black lash. So I've just decided to put like a messy lash on top, not on the bottom lash, because it was a little bit too much with the hair, the lash. I think this is fine. This is okay. It looks odd, and I like that it looks odd. Then I'm gonna do a little bit of mascara. We're gonna get into the lip combo. I'm gonna start off with a brown base. I'm using chocolate from NYX. It's probably not even gonna show, so I'm gonna go ahead and do another outline using Traced Out from Fenty, just on top of that color. I'm gonna go in with Desire, which is a brown lipstick from MAC. I'm gonna take a lip brush. I wanna go into that yellow, tap into the yellow, bring back the yellow. Before then, actually, I'm gonna go in with Naturally Transformed. Then I'm gonna go in and pack the yellow. I'm gonna go in with Chocolate, which is a brown from Fenty. Love a good Fenty gloss. I feel like Fenty is one of the brands that really do nice glosses. Chocolate is actually my favorite color. I'm gonna apply that on the outer lip. You don't want to ruin that yellow. Then we're gonna get a clear gloss. I'm using Lumi-Licious Luminous Lip Gloss from LA Girl. I love this lip gloss. It is the best after the MAC lip glass, and I haven't found anything better. And this is the final look, darling. I, for one, think this is gorgeous. The eye, the lip combo, the blush cocktail, you know, the blush duo, darling. There's an element of glam, but also an element of playfulness, you know, whimsical, you know, editorial. And yeah, that just sums up the person that I am, and I think I absolutely outdid myself with this look. The way I look, the hair, a 10, 10, 10, 10s across the board. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and like, share with your loved ones if you have enjoyed that video, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.